Listen up. You've studied, you've practiced, and you're about to crush your ham radio exam. This is your moment. Let's talk about why you're more ready than you think. Live, learn, transmit. Welcome to the Shack. I'm your host, Josh A4WX. Appreciate you joining me here. Before we dive in, huge thanks to Ham Radio Prep, the sponsor of today's episode. Ham Radio Prep is the fastest and easiest way to get licensed or upgrade. Their online courses have helped thousands of new hams pass on their first try. If you use my coupon code HamShackTV at checkout, you're going to get 10% off their already great prices. So head on over to hamradioprep.com and check it out. They do have a free sample course there for you to see how it all works out. hamradioprep.com and use coupon code HamShackTV for 10% off. Also, bonus, they have a mobile app. You can do it on a computer. You can do it on a laptop, tablet, your cell phone, whatever. Makes it so much easier. Thanks to Ham Radio Prep for sponsoring today's show. So getting licensed isn't about being a genius. It's about preparation, and it's about mindset. You've put hours in. You've learned the rules, the frequencies, and the safety procedures. That effort counts for something. You know this stuff. You'll walk into the exam room or your Zoom session like you belong there, because you do. Nerves are normal. Every single ham before you has felt the same flutter in their stomach. Take a deep breath, slow down, and remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to pass. And you're ready for that. Even extra class hams started where you are now. Old friend of mine, Paul Mandel, W4PGM. He drove me to my technician exam back in 2010. And he said something to me that sat with me even to this day. If you make anything better than a 74, you're just showing off. Remember, you had to score a 74% to pass your exam. If you do anything better than that, you're just showing off. You don't get brownie points for having extra. But go ahead and get that extra points just to give yourself a little cushion. All right. Here's the tips for during the test. Read each question carefully. Don't rush. The exam is multiple choice, which you should know by now. Eliminate the obviously wrong answers first. Again, read the question carefully, just in case there is a word like not or and or something like that in there. Those can be roadblocks and trip you. Read the questions carefully. Do not rush. If you're unsure, mark it and move on. You can come back to it later. Now, if you're using a computer to take the exam, leave it blank. Especially if you're using like exam tools, you'll have a notifier that'll let you know that you've got questions remaining. So, skip the question, move on to the next one. If it's paper, mark it so you'll come back to it. Don't let the tricky question rattle you. We kind of talked about this just a second ago. Focus on the next one and move forward. Make sure you read the questions carefully. That way there's no words that trick you up. And don't get rattled because of one question. Move on. Come back to it. And trust your instincts. Overthinking often leads to second guessing. Now, think about why you started this journey. Maybe it's emergency comms, contesting, DXing, or just being part of a community that's been connecting people for over a century. This test is your ticket to an incredible hobby. And once you pass, you'll never forget that feeling of getting your call sign for the first time. Now, when you walk out with a CSCE in your hand, you're not just passing a test. You're joining a worldwide brotherhood and sisterhood of radio operators. You've earned this moment. Be proud, and when you key up that mic for the first time, you'll know every bit of study was worth it. You've got this. Go crush that test. Now, after you ace the exam, let me know in the comments what your new call is. And remember, Ham Radio Prep is there if you need extra practice. Just use coupon code HamShackTV. You'll get 10% off. They're already great prices. Now, go make it happen, and we'll see you on the airwaves. Guys, thank you so much for watching HamShackTV. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We appreciate you being here. Check out all the affiliate links down in the description. But once again, we thank Ham Radio Prep for being a partner of the channel and everything they've done with us over the years. We'll see you in the next video. Hope you're having a great week. 73s. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up too, by the way, so this gets distributed out. Appreciate you guys. 73 AA4WX WSEB 693.